Tired of stumbling around in the dark during a power outage or struggling to get enough light for that late-night garage project? It's time to upgrade your workspace with the EGO Power Plus Portable Area Light, a complete game-changer that brings professional-grade illumination exactly where you need it most. This isn't just a work light. It's the most powerful cordless area light in its class, delivering a staggering 10,000 lumens in its boost mode. Whether you're setting up camp, working on a car in a dim driveway, or handling emergency repairs, you get a clean, natural white light that fills the entire space. Because it features 5 adjustable brightness settings, you have total control. Go from a soft, ambient mood light for your backyard gathering to an intense, high-output task light that leaves no corner in shadow. The design is brilliant because it's built for the real world. The 4 light panels are fully adjustable and foldable, allowing you to direct light exactly where you want it or collapse it into a compact, easy-to-carry package. It even comes equipped with integrated rafter hooks for overhead hanging and standard tripod mounting points, so you can elevate it to light up an entire room. What really makes this a must-have for any EGO user is the integration. It's compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries, providing up to 35 hours of runtime on a single charge when using the low setting. Plus, there's a built-in USB-A port, so you can keep your phone or other essential devices charged right from your light. It's rugged, weather-resistant, and honestly, it's the piece of kit you'll wish you had years ago. If you're ready to brighten up your workspace and take control of your environment, click the link below for the best price.